Hello, if I drag a texture on a object or model in the scene, then it gets applied in a new material. Let's check out the material. Here it is. I'm just going to move it over here. So this is the material, alright? Alright. I'll just make it a little brighter. Okay, so if I apply this material to other stuff, it also works, but here it's stretched, and here it's not working. It's just like one color. So let me just explain why that is. These meshes here are unwrapped, and basically each face, each side of this cube, well, stretched cube, takes the whole texture, and it stretches it from one corner to the other, to the other, to the other. And here these stretch methods, which are called UV maps, are just not present. UV because XYZ is for positioning, and then U and V is for texture space, I suppose. Alright, let me just show you how to fix that. Here we have Blender. I'm going to delete everything. I'm going to go to File, Import, Wavefront OBJ. I'm going to right click, show in Explorer, and just copy this path and pick over here the stairs. Here we have the stairs. Okay, let's go to UV editing. And now let's take a quick look. If we go to edit mode, click on this edit mode, you can see that there's a lot of faces. If we click on this, we can select faces. This is a face, 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 this is a face. Basically, it's multiple triangles, and together they make a model. And if we select them all, we can see that they are not unwrapped. Unwrapping, you can do that by pressing U, unwrap, and now everything is kind of like every face has now a piece of an image that it would put on the face. To make this clear, let me go to open here. Let me open an image. Okay, here we are. Okay, let me just make it so it shows up. I will have to edit the material for that. Material, base color, image texture. Pick this image texture. Okay, so now it works. Now it works. Let me just go on back and back and back before we unwrap this. Here. And if I add the image texture now, then you can see it's just one color. Yeah, so it's just one color. And however, if we go to edit mode and then let me get the image in here. If we now press U and press unwrap, now it works. And you can do other things. You can use Smart Unwrap, for example, and then it's a bit cleaner. There's a lot you can do. You can also select edges and then mark these with U, mark as seams. That's where these objects can be cut open then. You might also want to clean up the whole thing and go to Mesh, Clean Up, Merge by Distance, and maybe then unwrap, or Smart Unwrap then. But whatever you do, I mean, I guess just any unwrap or Smart Unwrap in the beginning is what you want to get started with. Okay, once you're done with that, you just go to File, Export, and I would say FBX or OBJ. I have grown used to using FBX, so I guess I'll use FBX. And I'll just call this Stairs Fixed Export. Alright, let me just refresh. And here are the fixed stairs. And here we have, okay, it even saved the material. And if we drag this material on top of it, that works too. So now we can simply copy the position of these stairs and delete these, and we're done. And we can apply the old material here, or we can apply this material on the others. That's it. Hope this helps. Give this video a like, subscribe to the channel if it helped. I'll see you next time. Oh yeah, one thing. Before you use this in game, you have to add component and then type in here Mesh Collider. You might also want to enable convex. For stairs, this is okay, although you will float a little. For other models that you don't want this effect, you disable it. So now you can just walk up here. Alright, have fun making games and maps and whatnot. Ciao.